Hello all, this is Shantan from Motors to Motherboards. Today we are going to do a short unboxing, installation and a review video of this motocare top rack made for the Tvs Ronin. So without wasting time, let's just quickly tear into it. The package quality is extremely secure. This comes with the backrest and cost me about 3600 and took around 5 days for the delivery to be. Phew, that's why I have to use this big knife. There we go. Oh, yeah. This is the top rack, as you can see, and it is heavy. Heavy means heavy. So, and we also get along with it the backrest and I think an assortment of screws. So let's quickly unwrap this also. Whoa. The packaging, well, full marks to them. Like, if the scoreboard was out of 5, I will give them probably a 7. Yep, there you have it. There are a few bolts. I'll keep them to the side now. This is the main backrest. This cover quality could have been better. I will have to probably remediate. As you can see, MC motocare. This thing can be, I think, can be taken off and adjusted. The quality is solid, extremely good. And another set of clamps, and I will show you where this particular thing goes. I will keep it to the side, and then I will undertake the Herculean task of unwrapping this. Whew. Thing's heavy. And after a long battle, see, this thing is finally unboxed. The quality is just top notch, and even has the T. So without wasting much time, let's get this fixed and let's get on to the installation of this particular thing. So we are right now at our usual place, TWM Service Center in Kolkata, and we have our bike fit here and the parts setup. This is, like, we'll show you a basic installation guide. Of how this is done. So first things first, in the Ronin there are 2 clamps provided right here. One here, another one here. This one is given in the most stock bikes, and with the top rack we get the right one. So this goes here, and from here we get another clamp that sort of kind of hangs here, and the top rack is screwed on there. So let's get to this installation without wasting much time. সব কিছু এতে আছে। ওই হুকগুলো আছে না, ডান দিকের হুকটা একটু সুতো লাগিয়ে দিও। So in the Ronin, this one is provided in stock, and this one is provided with the top rack. two slots into there, and all the bolts and holes are provided directly. But the thing with the Ronin is they give a support plate right here, so this will screw on here. हाँ
এখানে হুকটা লাগালে পারপাস হবে আপনার ফুলফিল হ্যাঁ
হয়ে যাবে তো বা মাঝখানে ওটা মাঝখানে যদি দিতে পারো So those are the basic bolt fitments, like one here, the main bolts here, and these support structures in the surroundings. And along with this, the backrest. This is essential for the pillion. If you don't have a pillion, you don't need this. Use it for the extra space. And with that, it's done. হয়ে গেছে, আর তো কিছু তো নাই, আর কি করবে, শুধু বোল্ট টোল্টগুলো এক্সট্রাগুলো এটার মধ্যে একটু ঢুকিয়ে দাও, নিয়ে চলে যাই। And now, हाँ चेन लूप मेरा दाও একটু। Now my Ronin has the tail again. So as you can see, this is the final product. It's very secure, and I had one extra thing installed, a luggage hook for, you know, when we have to do those grocery runs. This costs about with the backrest 3600, and considering the quality, build quality and the materials used, I think it's worth it. Cannot comment as of yet on the paint. That is something I can only say after using it for a while. A quick chain lube. So now that we are done with our work, well, you know where to come. TWM Service Center in Kolkata. This is just besides the metro cash and carry. This is the contact number, and as you can see, like a huge lineup of bikes, and like from complete servicing to overhauling to whatever you need, it's being done here. Mrigankota himself is a very genuine person who is and also a certified off-road trainer. He has won multiple competitions in and around India, trails, dirt bike riding, things like that. So anything you need, you can directly link up here. This is the contact number, and let's just quickly move on to the overview of this particular product. So now that the fitment and everything is done, this is how it looks like. I've also got the motocare saddle stays. One shortcoming about this is, firstly I would like to mention, is you need to have the ladies footrest, that is the official accessory, as because this one bolts into the clamp of the ladies footrest. Other than that, it's a very solid build. Mount is pretty easy, like it just mounts to the extension points of the top rack, and all the other bolts and fitments are provided directly inside the box, so not an issue. Let me just quickly show you, like I have used this on a tour right now of 3000 kilometers. I have used two Viaterra 2-up 64 liter saddlebags and a Viaterra dry bag 40 liter mounted on the top rack, and there was absolutely no issue, and the bike performed flawlessly. So there you have it. This is how it looks, and if you have any questions, please, you are welcome, more than welcome to drop your questions in the comment box down below. This cost, like I will put the cost and everything in the description box down below. Also, the backrest could have been a bit of better quality, as because you can already see like some cracks in the seams can be seen. Also, if you want to mount the backrest a bit back, like you can see, this is just like on the edge of the seat. If you want it a bit back, there is two bolt spacings right here, so that you can put the backrest back a couple of inches if you like it that way. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you on the next one.